Mbenga secondary school amagodum no nwere nke mma mpasita na wayek ama na ese ma practice ka nji pass ya mass ha chede na onye obuna bụ copper ma akwụkwọ akwụkwọ nga nsipa ga go university nwa I know. Okay, who gave you this assignment? You say Kopemeka gave you this assignment, and you want me to give you the expo, solve it for you, right? One more. The truth is, I am a choosing. You don't do exam practice. I don't encourage exam practice. I am a choosing. Otibo, I am a choosing. You solve your answer yourself. You get your answer yourself. Get your grade. I don't do exam practice. I am a choosing. I am a choosing. So, you want me to solve this thing for both of you so that tomorrow you go to school and do Bugao? No. Titi, I am a choosing. We don't do exam practice. I cannot just give you answer. You go and submit tomorrow. You have 10 over 10. I cannot do such thing now. You know why? I am a choosing. You know I know maths, right? I cannot just give you the answer like that. Tomorrow you pass. Because I am a choosing. Hey! Don't know your raputa. You don't know your copper, my uncle. Copper. Now I can pass maths. Even Kemba University. What did I do there? You want me to solve, find UX, find UY? How can I continue finding what I don't know? From Kamakara statement. It's better I say I am a